afternoon everyone. In this lecture, I will teach you about types of unemployment and the condition of unemployment in India. So let's start the topic. First, types of unemployment. There are three major types of unemployment: permanent unemployment, seasonal unemployment, and disguised or under unemployment. So let's start with permanent unemployment. As the name suggests, permanent. Permanent means the person is fully an employee. He is clearly seen to be an employee. Means it is visible unemployment. It is clearly seen. It is seen in the large educated class, because a large educated class are not able to get job according to their quality after proper education. Means simply, when a person is seen to be unemployed full time in the year, means he doesn't get job according to his quality, is known as permanent unemployment. Permanent unemployment is mostly seen in urban areas, because in urban area a large section of educated class is job seeker. They are searching job, but they are not getting job according to their quality. Now, if we talk about seasonal unemployment, as the name suggests, season. It means that for 2-3 months, job is there for 2-3 months, 4 months, 5 months, but rest of the time the person is seem to be unemployed. This type of unemployment is mostly seen in rural area, in the field of agriculture or primary activities, because agriculture is a seasonal activity, because it is based on monsoon. So a farmer get 3 to 4 months job, and rest of the time he is unemployed. So seasonal unemployment, it can be seen in both rural area and urban area as well. Means in rural area, this type of unemployment, what? Seasonal. It is seen in agriculture area, in rural area, and in urban area it is seen in the sense of casual labor. Now, who are casual labor? Casual labor. Casual labor are the labor who get job according to season. Means in the time, they are not permanent labor. Casual labor are the labor who are called up on the time of work. When the work is not there, then they are told to leave the job. Like sugar industry. Sugar industry is a seasonal industry. So in sugar industry, firecrackers industry, Rakhi making, many cottage small scale industry which require labor in the time of work only. It means that for 3 to 4 months, and rest of the time they are told to leave the job. Who is responsible for it? They are only, because industries don't care that they are leaving the job. How will they survive? Only they are casual, means whenever work is there, then they are called upon, and whenever work is not there, then they are asked to leave. Same casual labor are also at the construction site. At construction site means the worker, the labor. When the site is working, then they get job, otherwise they don't. Recently we have seen in the COVID-19 condition, when many workers left the job and moved toward their native places, so they are casual labor. So this type of unemployment, seasonal unemployment, means sometime work is there, and sometime the rest of the year they are unemployed. Now, next is disguised or under unemployment. Disguise is also known as under unemployment. Under unemployment to disguised unemployment is same. Why disguise? Because it is not clearly visible. It is not clearly visible. When a person is seen to be employed, but the production remains same. First I will define that, and after that I will explain with example. Then after that you will get the concept. So disguised or under unemployment, it is a condition where a person is seen to be employed, but the production remains same. Very simple example. In a farmland, two workers are there, then the production is 1000 kg wheat. Suppose a farmland, two persons are working there, and they are getting the production 1000 kg wheat. Now two members join them, now 4 members are there, and then the production is only 1000 kg wheat. It means that the two work contribution is nil, means they are unemployed. They are involved in the job, but their involvement is not matter, because production is not increasing. same. It is only the under unemployment or disguised unemployment. This is seen in rural area where all family members involved in the farmland, but the production remains same. If the large number of people are withdrawal from the work, then also the productivity will be same. So this is what? This is only disguised or underemployment, because the person is seemed to be employed but the production remain same. Now this was the classification of unemployment, means I explained you the types of unemployment. One more time I am repeating, there are three type of unemployment: permanent unemployment, seasonal unemployment, and under unemployment. I want to tell you that on the economic basis, the unemployment is classified into various categories like cyclic, frictional, but in 10th standard, according to your level, only you need to learn the three type of unemployment: permanent, seasonal, and disguised. Permanent unemployment, when a person is seemed to be fully unemployed for full time in the year, means he is job seeker, he searches the job but he doesn't get job according to his quality. Seasonal means, as the name suggests, when the person get job only part time in the year and rest of the time he seem to be unemployed. This type of unemployment is seen mostly in rural, both areas, urban also and rural area also. In rural area, this type of unemployment is seen in the sense of agriculture, and in urban area it is seen in casual labor. Casual labor are the labor who are called upon on the time of work, means they also do not get the job regularity. Okay. Now, disguised or under unemployment. Under unemployment is a condition where a person is seem to be employed, sorry, when a person is seem to be employed but the production remains same. Understand? This type of unemployment is mostly seen in rural area, in the farmland or agriculture work. This type of unemployment, which under unemployment, is also seen in urban area also, because at many construction site, factory site, the workers are very engaged but their productivity is not increasing. Now if we talk about the unemployment condition in India, so my next topic is that condition of unemployment in India. The unemployment rate is in India is 3.5%. How much? 3.5%. Unemployment rate in India is how much? 3.5%. If we talk about the rural and urban unemployment, then the rural unemployment is 21%. 21% of 3.5%. Okay. 21% rural unemployment, and urban unemployment is 24%. Clear to you? Now, if we talk about the highest unemployment growth rate in state terms, means the highest unemployment state. Which state says highest unemployment? Tripura. Tripura has highest unemployment. And if we talk about the lowest unemployment, then the lowest unemployment has Meghalaya. So these are the data regarding the condition of unemployment in India. In next, again I am repeating, unemployment rate in India is 3.5% according to 2018-19, and rural unemployment is about to 21%, urban unemployment is about to 24%. If the highest unemployment we talk about, then highest unemployment is in Tripura and lowest unemployment is in Meghalaya. In next lecture, I will teach you about rural and urban unemployment, its condition, what are the reason behind unemployment, means what factors are responsible for unemployment, and very important point, how to create employment. So these are very important topic. Next lecture also going to be very interesting for you. Please like, share and comment. Thank you for joining.